Number 10, use graphing to find the solutions to the system of equations. They're being a little bit mean here, and they gave you these equations not solved for y. So that's really your first step, is to solve these for y by isolating the y variable, getting it by itself. So negative x squared plus x squared is 0. So that's y plus 2x equals x squared minus 4. And then we'll subtract 2x here to get 0. So y plus 0 is just 0. And minus it here. Be careful with your like terms. Make sure you're not combining things that are not like terms. So this is not x squared minus 6x. Okay? We need to have the same variable and the same exponent. So there's my first equation. Let's put the other in a different color. Alright, and we have y equals negative x plus 2. So let's graph those. You can graph them by hand. Start with your y-intercept. Here's our slope. For these, you could make a table, x's and y's. Substitute those x's to find your y to graph it by hand. Or you can use the graphing calculator to do that computation for you. And when you're asking the calculator to graph, that's all it's doing, is it's substituting all of those x values. X is negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, to infinity, and substituting them into the equation you gave it. So that's all the calculator's doing for you, doing the work for you. Okay, and then we're going to choose the one that matches best. So we're going to rule out A. Our line's going in the wrong direction. Same with B. So you're just comparing C and D. The lines look correct, and then C is the one we're going to go with because our parabola should open up, right? It's a positive. When you're feeling positive, you're smiling. When you're feeling negative, you're frowning. So this graph would be a negative x squared, but we've got a positive x squared. So we're going to go with C that matches.